Hello magazine lovers. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is about Baris Baktas and Yağmur Yüksel. Before we move into the video, please subscribe to my channel. Baris Baktas may face arrest due to actions involving Yağmur Yüksel is a sensational rumor that has stirred the Turkish gossip scene. The Kensesekleri stars Dilbar saga, driven by their electric on-screen chemistry and off-screen moments like a silver watch and a family heirloom ring, has fueled a whirlwind of fan-driven narratives. But this specific allegation of an impending arrest seems to stem from distorted reports or fictional leaps, possibly tied to their publicized interactions. Set against the broader Disney world's penchant for dramatic tales, this claim demands a thorough unpacking to trace its origins, assess its plausibility, and clarify why it remains more myth than reality, keeping the narrative fluent and grounded while drawing on relevant conversational context. Baris and Yağmur were the soul of Kensesekleri, their portrayal of Dilan and Baran a passionate force that captivated audiences and birthed a fervent Dilbar fandom. Their on-screen romance, woven through tender moments and fierce devotion, earned a Golden Star Best TV Couple nomination and had fans projecting love onto their off-screen lives. Shared glimpses, dancing at glittering galas, playful exchanges online, and a Ramadan iftar attended with their families, as noted in a YouTube video, fueled dreams of a deeper bond. Baris's marriage to Gülüm, a beautician who has been his steadfast partner since before his rise to fame, stood as a firm boundary, its strength deepened by their anticipation of a child. Tensions flared when Gülüm reportedly confronted Yağmur over a silver watch Yağmur gifted Baris as a farewell gesture when the series concluded, inscribed with a message echoing their shared journey. Yağmur's claim that Baris wouldn't let her go, followed by his surprising gift of a cherished family ring, reignited fan hopes, only for Baris to assert that their connection was a strategic act to boost the show's ratings. Yağmur's new romance with Taha Baranezbek, a businessman seen in quiet seaside moments, as mentioned in a March 2025 X post, shows her moving forward, making the notion of her triggering Baris's arrest a dramatic and unlikely twist. The arrest claim suggests that Yağmur's actions, perhaps filing a complaint, pressing charges, or sparking a legal dispute, have placed Baris in jeopardy of detention. Baris's social media remains focused on his career, with a Hurriyet interview highlighting his rising fame and upcoming projects, offering no trace of legal peril. Yağmur's online presence glows with her work on Kizgin Topraklar and personal moments, like a horse farm visit noted by Milliyet, with no indication of conflict or legal moves against Baris. Gülüm's posts center on her pregnancy, radiating calm and anticipation, not the chaos of a looming arrest. The rumor might trace back to the Ramadan iftar, misread as a tense family dinner where drama erupted, or to the ring's fallout, with fans imagining legal consequences from Gülüm's confrontation or Yağmur's response. Alternatively, it could stem from confusion with unrelated cases, like the Naringuran murder arrests reported by BBC Turks, or from fans blurring Kensesekleri's intense plot, replete with family feuds and forced ties, with the stars' real lives, much like they misread Yağmur's fictional pregnancy arc. Could Yağmur have sparked legal trouble for Baris? It's highly improbable. Her new relationship with Taha Baranezbek and her focus on Kizgin Topraklar suggest a woman building a stable future, not seeking to upend Baris's life. Gülüm's confrontation over the watch was a personal clash, not a legal one, and Baris's public retraction of their bond was a move to quell drama, not invite it. The watch and ring, laden with emotional weight, were misread by fans as proof of a romance, but Yağmur's claim that Baris wouldn't let go was more about closure than ongoing entanglement, and her new romance predates the ring's fallout. No evidence suggests Yağmur filed a complaint. Her social media and public appearances show no vendetta, only forward momentum. Baris's commitment to Gülüm, reinforced by their shared anticipation of a child, points to a man focused on family, not legal battles. Unlike other Disney rumors, such as unproven claims of Sila Turkoglu's tears over Halil Ibrahim Seyhan or Baris's supposed divorce, which also lacked substance, this arrest narrative has no tangible basis, no court documents, no police reports, no credible whispers. The Disney World's rumor mill, seen in tales like Afras Sarıkoglu's rose-driven romantic shift or speculative fights at imagined dinners, thrives on crafting crises from ambiguity. The industry's history of hyping personal drama for ratings, as with Kensesekleri's viewership spike, could fuel such stories, but the absence of any legal ripple, especially in Turkey's gossip-hungry media, speaks volumes. Fans often project the show's intense narratives onto the stars, much like they've spun myths around Yağmur's personal life or Baris's marriage. The 2024 X post about legal action hints at a shared frustration with external harassment, not a feud between Baris and Yağmur, aligning with their united front against media intrusion rather than a battle pitting one against the other. Fans keep the speculation burning. Dilbar loyalists, clinging to the watch and ring, might imagine Yağmur's actions as a betrayal sparking legal fallout, while others celebrate her new chapter with Taha, seeing Baris and Golem as unshaken. Social media hums with Kensesekleri montages, Dylan's tears, Baron's resolve, but no credible posts point to an arrest or Yağmur's role in one. Baris's rising career, highlighted by his Hürriyet feature, and Golem's joyful anticipation of their child paint a picture of stability, while Yağmur's Kizgin Topraklar role and quiet moments with Taha mark her own path. Their lives, once linked by fiction, now diverge in reality, untouched by the specter of legal consequences. Drawing on our past conversations, your interest in Turkish culture, such as linguistic rules like consonant harmony, suggests a curiosity about the nuances of this vibrant scene. Just as Turkish language balances harmony and sound, the Dizzy world balances drama with restraint. Stars like Baris and Yağmur navigate public perception with care, avoiding the chaos fans might imagine. This arrest rumor, like a misapplied linguistic rule, doesn't fit the rhythm of their current lives. Baris Baktas is not facing arrest because of Yağmur Yüksel, no charges, no legal trouble, no evidence, only whispers. Their Kensesekleri connection, once a spark for speculation, has faded into separate journeys, Baris with Golem, Yağmur with Taha, free of courtroom shadows. Like other Dizzy myths, this is a tale spun by fans, not a reality lived by the stars. Turkey's captivated, but Baris's path is steady, his future bright with family, not darkened by bars. If there are any celebrities you would like to know about and follow current developments, please indicate in the comments. Thank you for listening. I hope to see you in the next videos. Goodbye.
We need your support to grow our channel and to bring you news faster. 90% of viewers leave without subscribing. Please support the Turkish Magazine family by subscribing and liking the video.